Stop! You're probably cooking your vegetables all wrong, and it's ruining their nutrients. You think you're eating healthy, but what if I told you that boiling, frying, or even chopping the wrong way is stealing the vitamins your body needs? Let's fix that. Look, we all know veggies are packed with vitamins and minerals, but did you know that how you cook them can make or break their nutrition? A study from the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that some cooking methods can strip vegetables of up to 50% of their nutrients. That's half the goodness gone. So let's go over the 5 biggest mistakes people make when cooking vegetables and what you should do instead. Mistake number 1, boiling your vegetables to death. Boiling seems like a healthy option, right? Wrong. When you boil vegetables like broccoli, spinach, or carrots, the nutrients leach into the water. Unless you're drinking that water like soup, you're throwing away vitamins. A study published in the Journal of Food Science showed that boiling can reduce vitamin C in vegetables by up to 50%. Fix it. Steam your vegetables instead. Steaming preserves nutrients because the food isn't submerged in water. If you love boiling, try using the leftover water for soups or sauces to retain the lost nutrients. Mistake number 2, overcooking vegetables. We get it. Soft, mushy veggies might taste good, but they're far from nutritious. Overcooking destroys water-soluble vitamins like B vitamins and vitamin C. The longer your veggies are exposed to heat, the more nutrients they lose. Fix it. Cook veggies until they're just tender but still have a slight crunch. Stir-frying or roasting at a high temperature for a short time keeps more nutrients intact while making your vegetables taste amazing. Mistake number 3, throwing away the peels. How many times have you peeled your potatoes, carrots, or cucumbers before cooking? Well, you're tossing away fiber and key nutrients. The skins of many vegetables contain antioxidants and vitamins that help fight inflammation and disease. Fix it. Wash your veggies thoroughly instead of peeling them. If you must peel, save the skins for broths or compost them to reduce waste. Mistake number 4, using the wrong cooking oils. Not all oils are created equal. Cooking with oils that have a low smoke point, like olive oil at high heat, can break down nutrients and even create harmful compounds. Fix it. Use high smoke point oils like avocado oil or ghee when stir-frying or roasting. Save extra virgin olive oil for drizzling over cooked veggies instead. Mistake number 5, not pairing vegetables with healthy fats. Some vitamins like A, D, E, and K are fat-soluble, meaning your body absorbs them better with fat. If you're eating plain steamed veggies with no fat, you're missing out on these nutrients. Fix it. Add a little healthy fat, like a drizzle of olive oil, a handful of nuts, or a slice of avocado, to boost nutrient absorption. So let's recap. To get the most nutrients from your veggies, ditch boiling and steam instead. Don't overcook. Keep them slightly crunchy. Keep the peels whenever possible. Choose the right cooking oils for high-heat cooking. Pair veggies with healthy fats to absorb more vitamins. Small changes can make a big difference in how much nutrition you're getting from your food. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more easy health tips. And let me know in the comments, which of these mistakes were you making? I want to hear from you.